You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation. A Latin phrase if you want to learn more biblical vocabulary and expressions from Latin. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Latin pronunciation: Sic transit Gloria Mundi. Thus passes the glory of the world, is the meaning. In English, it's usually pronounced as Sic transit Gloria Mundi. English pronunciation: Sic transit Gloria Mundi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.